Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. So first of all, launch open CapCut. Make sure to import the project from which you want to remove the background noise. You can see over here I've already imported it. Make sure to drag it over here. I've already dragged it. After doing that, what you have to do is simply click on the clip in which you want to remove the background noise. Make sure that particular clip has been selected. Now after doing that, look right over here. You'll be able to find the options like video, audio, speed, animation, etc. Click on the option audio. Now you'll be able to find the options related with audio over here. You'll be able to find the features like normalize loudness, enhance voice, reduce noise, isolate voice, etc. So first of all, check on this option, reduce noise. Now the noise of your audio will be reduced to some extent. If the background noise has been removed, you can simply export it. But still, if you can hear the background noise, what you can do is simply check on this option, isolate voice. Once you check on this option, isolate voice, you can see over here right now keep vocal is selected. So simply click on it. You'll be able to find two options, remove vocal, keep vocal. Make sure to select the option keep vocal. Now after doing that, the background noise will be removed. So that is how you remove background noise in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.